Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to import a concrete texture into Blender using LotPixel Hub. We'll see how you can do this in a clean, Blender-ready way without manually setting up nodes or maps. Right now, I'm inside LotPixel Hub. I'm going to the concrete category and selecting the texture I want to use. For this example, I'm downloading it in 8K resolution. Inside Blender, I've already prepared a scene, and I'm selecting a plane because the texture will be imported directly onto the selected object. With the object selected, I hit Import in LotPixel Hub, and the texture is automatically brought into Blender. Now I'm switching to the shading workspace. With the plane selected, you can see that all the maps are connected automatically. Albedo, normal, roughness, displacement, and everything is set up correctly by default. The normal maps in LotPixel Hub are provided in DirectX format. Blender, however, uses OpenGL normal maps, so LotPixel Hub automatically converts the normal map to OpenGL, making it fully Blender compatible. No manual adjustments are needed. Now let's look at the displacement button. When the button is turned off, the displacement node is disabled and the material runs in bump-only mode. When I press the displacement button, the node becomes active and the shader switches from bump only to displacement and bump. Even though displacement is enabled, you can see that the surface still doesn't have a strong depth effect. That's because displacement doesn't work on its own. It relies heavily on geometry. Right now, the plane we're using has a very low polygon count, so the displacement map doesn't have enough surface detail to actually push and pull the geometry. Instead of creating real depth, the effect stays very subtle and limited. That's why the next step is increasing the geometry. By subdividing the mesh and adding a subdivision surface modifier, we're preparing the surface to properly respond to the displacement map. As the polygon count increases, the texture stops being just a visual detail and starts adding real, physical depth to the surface. Now let's adjust the material a bit. I increase the tiling value and rotate the texture slightly. Since this is a concrete material, I keep the metallic value at 0 because concrete isn't metal. I control the reflections using roughness. Lower roughness means a shinier surface. Higher roughness makes it more matte. I also set the normal map strength to 0 to show the difference. Next, I adjust the hue, saturation, and brightness values. I tweak the color tone, increase and decrease saturation, and adjust brightness to get lighter and darker variations. After that, I hit Reset to bring everything back to default. Finally, I set up the scene and render the result. And that's it. This is how you can import a concrete texture into Blender with a single click using LotPixel Hub, and clearly control the difference between bump only and displacement plus bump. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video. If you want to try LotPixel Hub yourself, check the link in the description. See you in the next one.